Alright guys, here goes Caution 263. We're Railfaning Burlingame on 9/14/2016. Woohoo! And 4,000 was being that, guys. Woohoo! Let's see what edges are the back. I think 919 to the back, guys. Yep, 919. Woohoo! There's guys doing it. Woohoo! Alright guys, here comes Caltrain 386. Woo! MP36 leading. I hope it's 925. Down the back, guys. Woohoo! Hey guys, see you next video. Woohoo! Alright guys, here goes Caltrain. Here goes Caltrain 283. Woohoo! Conductor was nice on there, guys. 4002 in the middle, guys. Woo! And 917 in the back. Woohoo! There we go, it's showing it. Woo! Alright guys, here comes Caution 284. Woo! Woo! 902's leading, guys. Woohoo! Woohoo! And guys, I've been in that cab up there, right there. I've been up there. It was pretty cool. Yeah, just normal gallery cars, guys. And 85 should be coming right now. Yep, 85 should be coming. That beautiful sunset on this gallery car here. So anyways guys, see you next video. Woohoo! Alright guys, there goes Caltrain 284. And here comes Caltrain 385. Woo! Oh my gosh guys, it's flying through here. Woo! Guys, see you next video. Woo! Here comes Caltrain 287 with gallery cars, darn it. It's just bomb right there. Here comes Caltrain 288. Woo! Here comes Caltrain 287. Come on. Woo! Woo! guys, here comes the Broadway local. Woo! Woo! Alright guys, here goes the Mission Mid Local. Woo! Let's see what's leading this. Woo! Woo! Sounds different. Woo! 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 Oh, it looks long. Wow. Woo! On the next video. Woo! Alright guys, here comes Caltrain 289. Woo! The 5-man swing cars, guys. Woo! .114's leading. Woohoo! Yeah, that reefer at the back of that Mission Mid Local was pretty cool. I think my favorite coach is on this. Oh, wow. Woohoo! Wow, this bell, it sounds good. Woohoo! Wow, this bell sounds awesome, guys. 114's bell sounds awesome. Wow, it sounds amazing, guys. Woohoo! There's 179, my favorite coach right here, guys. Woohoo! And 927 on the back, guys. Woohoo! Anyways, guys, see you on next video. Woohoo! Alright, guys, here's Caltrain 190. Woohoo! With 924 living. Woohoo! Thank you for doing 2 days at Burlingame on 9/14/2016, which is today, and 9/12. That's right. Anyways, guys, bye bye. Woohoo!